Hello and welcome to Waterhounds, where we dive into all things related to water. In episode 1, we introduced you to the basics of the Estancia groundwater basin. Today, we are going to explore the New Mexico Water Catalog that will show you all the great sources of water data for the state of New Mexico. So this is provided to the New Mexico Water Data Act from multiple sources, including governmental, groundwater districts, counties, associations, the USGS, the Office of the State Engineer. It deals with water quality, water use, water quantity, and also gives locations of aquifer tests. Did you know that the New Mexico Water Data Act, passed in 2019, required all of these water agencies to provide all of the data to the New Mexico Bureau of Geology? Then they created this catalog. So here you can look at historical data, live data. You can look at the different groups into climate, ecosystems and wildlife, energy, infrastructure, natural hazards, water planning, water quality, water quantity. You can also look at the different organizations that have submitted data to the New Mexico Water Data Act. There's 4 pages of them. There's 62 organizations that are included in here, including the Estancia Basin Water Planning Committee. But you'll see down here at the bottom of the page, there's 4 pages of different sources of water data. And if you come here, you can see that there's 286 data sets that are found, and then it'll tell you who the organizations are off here to the left-hand side. You can also filter those data sets by location by using the map. I'm not going to get into that today. What I would really like to show you is the live data. So the live data includes live data from 2 different irrigation districts, including the Middle Rio Grande and the Pecos Valley Artesian Conservancy District that are doing real-time measurement. It also gives another live drinking water data quality set, and that is for all the public water systems for the state. So I think it's Water Watch. You can look there. This is a link that will take us to the live water rights data with the New Mexico Office of the State Engineer, including the well locations. And here is a link to go to the Environment Department to see their permitting data on discharges and live oil and gas data. But today I'm going to explore the Weaver. So Weaver has taken a lot of the different data and they put it into a map form. So you can look at for instance, groundwater maps. There's a groundwater map that took all of the groundwater data and put it into one groundwater map. So that's what I'm going to go into today. This shows the Healy Collaborative Network, which is the real-time measurement of wells that were funded by the Healy Corporation, and the data integration engine, which is under construction and is not completed yet. So the groundwater map is relatively new, and there is help button. Whenever you see the little I for information, you can click on that for more information. So the data layers that are available is the New Mexico Bureau of Geology. The actively will monitor wells that they have in the Bureau of Geology. Then they have the Healy Collaborative Network, which has its own standalone map, but you can turn these all on and off by clicking these buttons. USGS, Pecos Valley, Bernalillo County, which is part of the Estancia Basin, so you can turn on Bernco, you can turn on the Estancia Basin, and you can also likely all the wells that are being monitored by the Bureau of Geology and also the Healy Network. So we will now zoom in to, we're going to also turn on the USGS wells imagery because I can't really see where I'm at. There we go. So here we are. There's Mountain Air, there's Willard. So each of these dots represents a well that may have one groundwater level measurement or multiple groundwater measurements, and you can click on that and it will tell you the two different sites. Like right here, there's 2 USGS wells, and you can click on those and it will give you, this one only had one measurement, and it's 57 feet to groundwater at that point in time, and it was in 1962. And this one here was measured in the year 2000 in the same spot, and pretty much the same spot, and the groundwater level is dropped to 92 feet. So each one of these represents a different set of data, and you can look at the water level measurements according to what your area you're interested in. And that's all I had to show you today. Thanks a lot, and next I will show you how to look up documents on the Office of the State Engineer's website.